Hey Matt, I'm gonna show you how to use your website right now. The way you do it is you go to that URL that I sent you. You go to bahamasdivers.com/user, and the login and password is what I've sent you in the email. So just log in with that. Then you click back to the home here, and you'll see that there's a couple of new bars on top. You can see there's an add content button here if you want to add some content. But what I'm going to show you is how to edit what we currently have on the site. So if you see as you go through, if you hover over certain areas, you'll see that there's a little button right here that pops up, a little gear with an arrow. If you click on that, you get a new drop down that says configure, and if you click on that, that's going to be how you can edit video or edit content on here. So just as you go throughout the site, you'll see that there's these little drop downs here, and I'll show you how it works on an inner page also. So in the same way, it just depends on the type of content. You can also have an edit button. If you just click onto this edit button, it pops up, you'll see what it's going to look like. So basically now it shows you all the text that you have on the page, and you're able to edit this text in this panel here. So what you would do is, if you have things that you want to change, you go in and do that here, and then when you're finished, you just need to worry about what's going on in here. Don't change anything from any of these other settings. That's all developer stuff. Just change the actual text that you want to change, and then click save. And if you don't want to save your changes, you click the little X button on the right here. So essentially you make your changes here, whatever you want to do, and then you would click save, or you click X, and I'm going to click X since we're not saving this. So throughout the site you'll see that we have like this little drop down here, configure, and you'll see we'll pop up with the rest of the information. So each panel has its own little area where you can click, and just as you go throughout the site you'll see that the different pages are editable just by clicking on the edit button, and you have your content within here, and then you can change the content once you're in there and click save, and that's how you do it. Yeah, just as you go throughout the site, you'll hover over a content area, you'll see the drop down, click configure or edit, or whatever it says, and you'll be able to make the changes that you need. And I think the only other thing is changing photos on the home page. So I'll show you how to do that. So if you want to add a new video, you click add. It's pretty straightforward. You would enter the title of the video here. And let me find out where to. I'll show you in the next video actually how to do this, because I'm going to need to just double check. So the next video will have how to change and add photos and videos.